Don't dada to the lie. Don't dada to the lie. Don't dada to the lie.
See my producer. See my producer, bros.
Don't dada how far now?
Guy, wetin dey happen now? You know they answer me now. What for you, bro?
Just cut am abeg. I no dey in the mood abeg.
How far now, guy? Wetin dey sup?
I no dey happy. I no dey happy, bro.
Make I sit down, guy.
No wahala, sit down.
Wetin you say be the problem now, guy? Which one you dey squeeze face like this? You know say me I no like am.
Don dada, you no go understand. You no go understand wetin I dey go through now, guy.
I no dey like am at all. You where you suppose dey happy like this. You come dey squeeze your face, guy. Wetin dey happen? Talk to me now, bro.
You no go understand, guy. I no just dey happy today. I'm not in a good mood, bro.
Let me know wetin dey sup, abeg.
See, all the files wey I get for my system, guy, most of them just delete, just like that, just format. The thing just format. Which kind of life now, guy? I just dey tired, honestly. I dey tired. This thing just got to me, seriously, bro. The thing really enter me.
Now what for you, bros? So now because of that small thing, now you come dey squeeze face. I be even dey teach you na your landlord sef don pursue you for house, or he don catch you say you dey do something with him daughter. You see this guy. Now what for you, guy? That thing na small thing, na bros. Na small matter be that one, na. Try make you dey happy, oh bros. Happiness dey free, oh. You no see me, I no dey ever dey bone my face. No matter wetin dey do me, I dey come back strong. Instead, I go come use am sing song sef. But when I work for you, relax your mind. Because of that small thing wey happen, now you come dey bone face. You be Boniface. I work for you, guy.
No be lie, sha. No be lie. That's true. No wahala now. Thanks, man.
Correct guy. See as you dey smile now, you can't dey fine anyhow.
Don dada.
Correct guy. See you, me where I carry good news, make I can't tell you. You won't come spoil my own mood self with your mood.
Thank you so much, guy.
Correct guy, make I tell you something. Bro, you see that song where I drop, You see that song where you dey work on for me? Bros, my guy, make I shock you like this. I don't already go tell people everywhere. I don't even go pay one radio station. Me they just dey set as I dey send this thing from them. As I won't collect am now, as I dey send them for them, bros. The thing they drop on air live like this. See this guy over, I don't blow. Finally, I don't blow. Bro, correct guy.
Calm down first.
Bros, I dey hear you, I dey feel you like this.
Don't, calm down.
No, I dey hear you.
Calm down first.
Wetin happen? I dey answer you now. Wetin happen, bros?
That your song. You join for the files where delete.
Here is God, oh.
Abeg,
You say wetin, bros? Come again. I no hear you well. E be like say I hear something wey I no understand. Abeg talk again.
I say that your file, your song, sorry, where delete. Sorry, e dey for the file where delete.
Chai, my basi. Bros, they send you.
Don dada, calm down.
They send you.
Don dada. Happiness is free, oh.
Free madness.
Jesus! Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.
Wait, my brother. As you watch that video, you know like am. You know like am. Oh yeah, click the like button, the thumbs up, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don dada say so.
Don't dada to the line. Don't dada.